Hey there, it's Ajmer from In-House Solutions again with another video in What's New in 2026. In this file, or this video, I'll be showing you the new features and functionalities I've added to the operation for you to create tools and assemblies faster. In the past, to make an assembly here, you would have to go into the tool manager, but now you can do it right from this section right here. So the tool creation is a little bit different as well. It goes into the panel interface. So depending on what kind of tool that you want, chamfer mill. This is interactive here as well. And as you go through the panels, you can see the dimensions and graphics update accordingly. So a really quick and easy way to make nice changes to your graphical tools. Same thing with if you want to make an assembly on the fly. So I'm going to create a tool assembly, and it takes you right into the assembly creation section that was always hidden in the tool manager. So if you go here, I'll create a tool, or I'll add import a tool, 3/8 unknown, and I want to add a holder to that. So I'll add a HSKs together with those, and I'll drag it down a little bit. And if I wanted to add something else on top of this, I could just add component above. And depending on which one it would be, obviously it's not this one specifically, but it'll add it on top of it as well. I'll say OK. And now you've got your assembly created, and I'll just say OK for the toolpath. And you'll see it uses the assembly, the fake assembly that we made there. A quick and easy way to make tool assemblies in the operation as you go. Talk soon.